What's up, bro? How you doing? There's a snapping turtle on my path. I'm trying to walk here. As soon as I get to the end, he's like right at the edge of the fence, like, yeah, what's up, bro? I'm about to bite your toes. So I walked all the way on the other side of the path. You ain't getting my toesies. All right, we got our first piece. It's a piece of cut bait, white perch, midsection. Second one, we got the head section, white perch, same white perch. Our next one here is another piece of midsection. Same bait, white perch. Oh snap, what did you do? Oh snap! I was trying to do the intro. We just threw these out. Oh my god. Alright, I'll fish one. I hit play on the main camera and boom, fish hits. That's what I'm talking about. We literally just threw these out. It's a little guy, but I'll take him. I'll take him. Skunk off the bank immediately. Like less than 1 minute. We just threw him out. I walked back to the camera, turned on that camera right there, and I didn't even get to say anything. What it do, what it be, what it is, you too. I start the camera and bam, fish says I want to say hello. Oh, so does the helicopter. Oh, he was barely skin hooked right there, even too. All right, there goes our first one. He's probably about 6-7 pounds. We're not gonna weigh him unless he looks like 10-12 pounds, then we'll weigh him. Gosh darn it, daggone choppers. Get to the chopper. All right, let's release this fish. Number one, in less than 1 minute. What? All these other rods do. He's going over here. I think he's gone. I have no clue. I don't know where he went. Wow. Wow. We threw these baits out there. And I turn around, I turn this camera on. I come to say hello to you guys and do an intro. And, oh, that other rod's moving. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. False alarm, false alarm. All right, so we're in DC today and we're using cut bait white perch. And let's get this other bait back out there and see if we can get on another fish real quick. Hopefully a big one. I'll be back with y'all shortly. Man, that left rod was just doing a dangle. I think we got a fish. Either that or a big tree. Uh-oh, he just tangled himself up into something on the bottom. Uh-oh. I feel him head shaking. We'll give him a second. Oh, I think he might be hooked on both rods. Oh, this one feels snagged up now. Oh, I think he got both rods. Uh-oh. We got one rod out of the snag and lost everything. The other one's moving though, still a little bit. Did we keep the fish? I feel weight. I feel weight. It's a little itty bitty fish. Oh. Oh. Dang. That's all right. We got him. He got landed. Man, I guess he swam himself straight up into the rocks. Wow. All right. Well, it's another one. I mean, it's been about like 8-9 minutes now because this dude's been messing with it for a little while. But he had 2 of my lines occupied. And this all right, here goes our second fish. I mean, you can see he got some war wounds here from being in the rocks. Got little scratches on his face. But we're gonna get him back in the water. He said hello. All right, let's get him back. Yo. I was trying to get the other 2 rods out. Whew. This one was giving it a dangle. Come on, fishy. Don't get up in them rocks. Stay up, stay up. I know you ain't no giant or nothing, but I want you. All right, that's 3 fish in like, I don't know, 10 minutes. And that was on the big old head. We ain't got no other rods out there right now. All right. Whew. I was just about to cast the rod out, ran back for the camera. Whew. This one's about like the first one. This one's hooked right under the jaw. He didn't even get it in the mouth. He got double pinched. Oh, we got pretty good though. Got another 8-pounder, and maybe 7. But there goes the next one. 10 minutes. Let's get these rods back out there and get another 3 in 10 minutes. Come on, little buddy. Little baby shark. All right, let's get these rods back out there and get on some more fish. I'll be back with you shortly. Right rod's giving it a dangle. keeps tugging. Got it. Fish on. Feels like an alright one. Might be the biggest so far. Maybe not. Either he's swimming at me or he's a baby. Or both. He's moving. All right, we've been here for about 20 minutes. This is the biggest one so far. This one's probably about 10 or so. He's getting himself wrapped up. Let's get him. I mean, we just released that other fish. This one's got a big old belly on it. He got a lot to say. All right, here's our next fish. We've been here for about 20 minutes or so. Maybe 20 minutes. Big old fat belly on this thing. 0 pounds, 0 ounces. $15.80, so it's about 14.10 pounds, 14.5 pounds. So we got a little 14 pounder here. Not bad, we upgrading. 14 pound blue catfish. About 20 minutes in, we have mad hits. We had some tangles we had to fix. We had to re-break, we had a line break off. We had to tie it back up, and still catching fish. I think we had what, 3, 4? I can't remember already. I think we're at 3. All right, let's get them released. Oh, we just flipped upside down, man. You got my leg all wet, bro. That's a wall. See you later, bro. He's out. Man, about 25 minutes. We got another fish. I got to get another piece of bait on that line. Let's get that bait. Let's see if we can get any more fishies. I'll be back on the whisker seeker. Yep. Oh, this one feels all right. Oh, this one feels all right, but we're in a bush. We couldn't get the other camera up. I was watching this whisker seeker bend pretty good, and it's a heavy power rod, so when it bent, I went running for it. We just gotta make sure this fish doesn't get into the rocks. He feels really heavy. He's either wrapped up or really big. That's all right, he's another fish. I just threw out the other line from us fishing, so we just got another fish right after. Oh, that one's going off. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get over here, Mr. Fishy. My other rod's going off. We just threw it back out there. There we go. That's another like 9-10 pounder. Dang, I can't keep a rod in the water right now. That is not a bad problem to have, though. You cannot complain about having not have your rods in the water. All right, 0 to 0. Come on, hook. All right, 11.45. So 9 3/4 pounds, something like that. All right, the whisker seeker is going for a ride. It is going for a ride. I think we'll need the net on this one. He's got some head shakes. Didn't get the other camera up again. Feels like some dead weight right now. Straight dead weight. He is little. Oh, that's savage. Oh, he's wrapped up. He just flipped around. He's off. He's not wrapped up no more. Oh, I thought he was so much bigger than he is. You're just gonna get yourself wrapped up, bro. Like you just did. All right, I think that other one's getting taps on it right now too. Yep. Ah. Whew. This hook ain't coming out. Ugh. All right, the other one don't look like it's wibbling no more. No more wobble, wobble, wibble, wibble. All right. Got about another 10 pounder here or so. Let's weigh this one up. Oh, we did have this camera up. I thought we did. All right, let's weigh this one up. $11.50, so this one's 9.75 again. All right, so we got another 9 pounder here. Let's get this one released. Get on some more. Bro, dag savage, homie. He said, I'm out, man. Let me go. Get back up. Oh, the other rod. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Man, did y'all see that thing bend down? Whew. All right, let's hope he comes back. Let's get this other one baited up. Get it back out there. Get on another one. Be back with you shortly. We've been here for about 35 minutes so far, and we got like 5 fish. Whew. This one's swimming with it. Got him. He's a biggin. He's a biggin. He feels pretty good. Let's get him. Oh, I think we got another line. It ain't mine. What am I? Does he have a, what is, I see the bait. I'm pretty confused right now what's going on. I saw a hook and I saw the bait. Is this guy wrapped up? Nah, he got the hook. He got the hook. All right, let's get him into our little channel here. He's trying to swim back out. He might be the biggest of the day so far. The other one's still giving it a dangle. All right, here goes our next fish. He wants to talk to y'all. Oh, he's a little shy now. Now we got him up here. Probably about 13. Let's weigh him up. How you doing? $13.55. Take away 1.75. So we got what? 12, 11 and 3/4 pound. Feisty 11 and 3/4 pound blue catfish. Let's get this guy released and then see what's going on with our other line. Oh. This one was, this ain't even the rod that I was worried about. It was the other one over here behind me that's slack. But we got another one. Let's get him. He's coming. He's coming. Oh, he's starting to feel a little bit like he don't like where he's going. He's a nice one. I think he might be the best of the day so far. Right there. Let's get him in our little channel here. How you doing? Oh, got a hook around my finger like a ring. What it do, what it be, what it is, guys. All right, that's our next one for the day. I think that's number 8. Let's get this one weighed up, see what it weighs. $23.30, take away 1.75 for the bag. So we're at what, 21 and a half pounds, something like that. All right, 21 and a half pound blue catfish. Let's get them released. Most of their lines are out of the water. The other line is slack. Woo! That's a stone right there, buddy. He's still right here in our little mud hole. All right. Angle. Still there. We got a fish. Let's get him. This is like, whew, man, cronk. Literally, this is before a live stream again. We are crushing fish. Hopefully they're still here when the live stream starts in just a little bit. Whew. Doing it again. Oh, this guy got it in the eyeball. Open up, bro. Right here. What's up, little buddy? You gotta bust a left, man. I'll see you later, buddy. What it do, what it be, what it is, YouTube? All right, that was a pretty good video right there. Mind you, this video is way late. It's like 5 weeks late, because that's when we did the live stream that this video was before. We did end up with 10 fish, but y'all missed the last fish. I was rushing for the live stream, and apparently I had the GoPro still running for that fish. And whenever I went to get it, it was only like a 6-pound fish, but I didn't get it on the GoPro, because what happened was I rushed to go pick up the rod. Went to start the GoPro, I turned off the GoPro, so we didn't record it. And I wasn't just going to show you the rod bending on the GoPro, because I ran down the hill for it real quick while I was trying to start the live stream. But it is what it is. 9 fish in about 48 minutes, because that's how much time I had before the live stream started. We started on time. Is not too bad. Y'all want any DMV Whisker King Booty Cheek merch? Go check down for the link below. Go check it out. Y'all get it right, get it tight. I'll holler at y'all on the next one.